we have indefinite integral with respect to theta. First, I will substitute expression in parentheses by u. Let me write this. U is equal 3 theta square minus 5. Next, we have to find derivative of both sides of our equation with respect to theta. So we have du to d theta is equal, derivative of 3 theta square is 6 theta, derivative of negative 5 is 0, we don't have to write. Now we will multiply both sides by d theta because we need to find du, because we do u substitution. D theta we can reduce and we have du is equal 6 theta d theta. Now let's come back to our indefinite integral. Let me rewrite this. First I will put secant of 3 theta square minus 5 and we have times theta d theta. So we see when we substitute expression in parentheses by u, we have theta d theta. And we found that du is equal 6 times theta d theta. We don't have 6 in this expression. So I will divide both sides by 6 because we have multiplication. It means we can do this. And we have that theta d theta is equal, I can write 1 over 6 du. So now we can do substitution. We can rewrite indefinite integral and we have secant of u, and for theta d theta we will put 1 over 6, I will put in parentheses du. Now when we have multiplication, I can take this constant before indefinite integral symbol and we have only secant u du. We know that indefinite integral of secant of u with respect to u is equal natural logarithm of absolute value of secant of u plus tangent of u, of course plus constant. So now we have to write, we have to first copy 1 over 6 and we have times natural logarithm of absolute value of secant of u plus tangent of u plus constant. When we multiply 1 over 6 by constant, it still will be constant, so I can put just c. So this is equal. We have to come back to our substitution because we solved our indefinite integral with respect to u and we need to solve our indefinite integral with respect to theta. U is equal 3 theta square minus 5. So it will be 1 over 6 times natural logarithm of absolute value of secant of 3 theta square minus 5 plus tangent 3 theta square minus 5 plus constant. This is my solution.